Know the difference between tile and marble. Dear friends, feeling ho-hum about choosing marble or tile for the floor? Here, we bring you a detailed description and comparison of both surface materials that will help you make the best choice suited to your specific home conditions. Understanding these differences will help you make the right choice and choose an option that is just right for your needs. Differences between tiles and marble. Before finding out more about what makes marble and tiles different from each other, there are various parameters based on which we have tried to differentiate them. Here are a few of the parameters. Composition. Marble is a natural stone that is made by limestone's metamorphic crystallization that results in the conversion of calcium carbonate into calcite crystals. Floor tiles, on the other hand, are made from silicates or clay fired at high temperatures. Stain-proof. Another parameter that makes both options quite different from each other is the stain-proof feature. Where marble tends to get stained easily, tiles do not get stained and are easier to maintain. Classifications. Marble is available in myriad shades and colors which are due to the geographical processes taking place that formed the stone. Tiles are also available in multiple forms like terracotta, quarry tiles, glass, and even porcelain. These options can be used as both floor and wall tiles. Finish. Where polished marble comes with a glossy finish, tumbled or honed, tiles are available in both glazed and unglazed varieties. The pattern screen printed on its surface imparts it with a natural look. Porosity. Marble has relatively high porosity when compared with tiles as it is a stone with a robust crystalline structure. It is for this reason marble can be polished to shine. Tiles have relatively low porosity and are thus perfect to be used in high moisture areas like bathrooms and kitchens. Variations. While undergoing production, the appearance and color of tiles are carefully controlled, and this results in an end product that comes with slightly minor variations between batches. Contrary to this, marble is a natural stone, and as such, wide differences can be spotted in the same stone of the same lot. For the same reason, marble is less consistent than tiles. Eco-friendly. Marble cannot be considered as an eco-friendly option as it is a non-renewable resource and extracting it requires energy-intensive processes. The impact these processes have on the environment is irreversible. Tiles, on the other hand, fare better than marble as they can be recycled, are non-toxic, and are manufactured using safe processes. Price. Marble is more expensive than tiles. This is because tiles are man-made while marble is a natural stone that has to be mined and extracted using costly procedures. Moreover, only high-quality marble looks good in appearance, which comes at an exorbitant price. Wastage. The cost of marble further increases as a lot of material goes to waste while cutting it in suitable sizes. In tiles, wastage is low, and as such it is more affordable than marble. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.